So from your copier screen, go to the settings. And the network setting will be the second one. And administration login, okay? The default password will be admin. And the simple setting. As you can see, I have already set mine. Kitty Vive one B by connecting through the LAN. But, you know, you can do whatever you like. Basically, I recommend you guys to have a DHCP static one, okay? The dynamic one is not stable. If you just restart your router, you know, every time you flip it over, getting a new IP address, that will be a lot of troublesome. You know, that's like just do it stick to static. So for me, my IP address is 0, but for your home network, you know, it may be a different. So just try using ipconfig and find your IP address. And you can also use ipconfig/all, you know, to get the default get fair. But on the normal condition and the normal household, it will be the same as the router, okay, router outright address, sorry. Here you can do also wireless, okay. By clicking on the wireless setting, you can, you see, the LAN, the wired one, and the unwired one, so for the wireless. Okay, and from the access point search, you can just basically search your Wi-Fi. So mine is Buffalo HR, and I have already selected it, and you can put your Wi-Fi password over here, and you can press OK. Then, you know, you can basically register it and just reboot your copier, and it will, the setting will be applied. Don't forget to put your DNS, okay? If you don't put your DNS, then basically your copier will not connect to the internet. Even you're connected locally to your network, you will not be able to connect it. So DNS is really, really important, okay, guys? So this is how you connect using, you know, wire one and wireless setting. You can also do from the web bezel, okay, guys? Let's say if I'm getting my copier IP address, I just, you know, use ipconfig, and my PC is basically the IP address of 100, and there we have our copier. We spin it, okay, to take the connection if our printer is really connected to our PC or not, and it is connected, so we can just take it through the web, okay? Just type your IP address, go to the admin and the default data again, the admin. And from the system setting over here, it can go to the network setting over here. And from there also, you know, you can do the network configuration and change your IP address. But basically, you know, you need to do it on the copier first, in order to get you over here. But, you know, you need to have a little knowledge on network also, guys. If you stop on something and if you don't know anything, you can just comment below and ask me. I will be happy to help you guys, okay? One more here also, you can just do the, you know, the wireless setting. Okay, and then just select your Wi-Fi and your the password, okay? Wi-Fi password. And don't forget to security that, but most of the time, you know, it's WP2 portion, that's my A. So now since we have done our painter network setting, now we can move on to downloading our print driver, okay, guys? Okay, let's go. Okay, first we will download the stop driver, that's why types are and the restream. Hyper download. And there we go. Click on over here and type your printer serial number for me it is BP minus 60C and sa at 36, okay, sorry. And then next. And be here we have a print driver, okay? You is also the scan drive if you want. But we will go for the print driver. Okay, download it. And okay, we accept and download. And then choose me to save. I had to save in my DAP commands. Let's go. It will take some time, so that's why I will fast forward a little bit. Okay, guys. Downward open the driver. I have already installed the driver, but you can install the driver as many times as you want. It will not have any problems or some issues. So, I'm going to install it again and add a printer. From here, we will submit our IP address and then wait to next. And then in the double side, print setting, we don't need file. We have both to detect, and you can look for the best printout. Okay, here we go. This is actually Europe's screen updates. I think you already know because you will have this here and there. So as you can see, the data has already been sent and redownload is already. Well, this is how you basically download a driver for a daily sub series. Okay, now if you want to check your printer, go to the control panel, and there we have all the hardware and printer, the printer and the scanner, and there we have our subtitle drivers and the property, and you can take in the option. And I'm renewing the settings since it will help us to, just refresh our printer. What had been updated. Okay. As you can see, 8 sheet paper sent an edit. And there from then with setting, begin with the color mode setting. And deep print double side printing setting. We will not go detailedly, but, we can go. I can do other videos about these settings on other videos, but not for now, okay guys? Okay guys, from here we will do our scanning setting. That's why go to the security setting, go to the port, and the SMD. Generally, when you buy a new printer, it's turned off. That's why you need to turn it on when you're buying a new one, okay? Get the way down, register it, and after registering it, you can, reboot it. If you don't reboot it, then the setting will not be applied, so you must reboot it. I don't know why. That's it. This one, we will try to save our scan data on our printer. Basically, our printer also have hard disk or SSD, depending on what version you have. So Windows R and / your printer IP address. In my case, it's 192.168.0.111. And hit the enter. It will ask for your credentials of your printer. And the default username and the password is admin. And if you want to save the details, you can just take it. The credential fab option box, or what we call it. Okay. As you can see, it's admin. Let's take it. Build okay. And you're here with the seared one. I have user 7. I don't know what it just stated. I don't need it more. And over here, plate be just create a new folder, okay guys. And then type the scan. And double click the open and just copy in this address, okay? Behance copy the address. Now go to the printer setting and from here add. And then over here, it's a source number, put 1. And over here, put the name what you want to be displayed on your simple scan. There, you could take it or don't take it. Doesn't really matter on the skin pics. There is email fax, FTP, desktop, and the shared folder. So we are going to do the above shared folder. That's like, click over here, paste the address that you copied. And here we have admin. And the admin, the default is big, bisty, admin admin. It's a pay to register that. And go to the address. As you can see, I have done my register not done, but to register, I'll register it. And since it will be troublesome every time to type the IP, you can create a shortcut on your desktop. So go to the thing tab and just send the shortcut in your desktop, okay? Oops. Oh, here we have our shortcut scan. As you see, your screen will be looking like this, okay? The espresso pay over here. And you will be basically doing the simple scan. 8 out of 1, okay? As you can see, this is how you do the simple scan mode. Go put the address, you can see the scan page wrestling. And what from the boot they'd like to move the column. The maker's the color one. It was a bit color one, and get slims the data has within the guys. Hey, now let's take the data if it has been safely been received by our PC or not. Hey. Yeah, right. That is over here, guys. So this is how being sent on spending the about printed SSD or hard disks using this bot setting, guys. IV6 show you the second way to scan your data to your PC by downloading your network scanner to Lite. You can just search in the web, and here we have subs. Network scanner to Lite. Or the Windows login to your OS. They stick on the next, and this is our network scanner to Lite. Version 2.0, guys. And I think it support all the series, okay, and the BBMX and the as well as out of theories. Just click on download and save it. Okay. Then we have the driver downloaded and just open it. And give it the access. Okay, let's do the English over here. But you can choose your country and variable. Yes, you can write now on Japan, that's right. It's automatically sent us the Japan, but open us to the English. Hey, it's stalling, hey. The typical or the custom, that's what it's typical. So you don't have to do much, you just have to install it and do the next. And it will just basically don't forget this tap TV access, FTPX, and the wireless access, okay? Only that long access. Hey, allow access. It's trying to search here. Okay, here you have. If you don't have it saved on the printer, take it and take it right be, okay? All the name what you want. Me, you'd scatter to light. Initial S. Okay, it seems good. For the next, okay, launted. Ines. Just wait. May it break for some time. Okay, here we go. It's opening. Okay, don't service again. Whatever this message is. So, we are not doing any emails or something similar to it. We are just wanted to do the scan. That's why you can just delete it if you don't want it, okay? Just select that one. And delete it, okay? Now, with the properties. And then modify the folder and go to the browse. And Lite income. I really made the folder in the document, okay? That's in the document. And create a new folder. And you can rename me whatever you want. For it to be where your scanner doesn't be stored, okay? So with the properties, then EMO, it can be a scanner to lie, something like that, so that, the data. I can't know from what I have scanned the data and it's running to we take that and apply the setting. Okay, will not pick that much of time depending, it may in like 6 minutes, something like that, okay? Okay, it succeeded. After that, let's refresh it. Okay, it seems okay. This is your screen. This will be okay. And again, as you can see, my cursor in a bit of small. It's a bit of smallness. Hard to see, but just go to the simple scan. And go to the address bar over here. After that, you can see the new pop-up. Here it is scanner 2 live folder depth to read it. And you can click OK of it to just, the paper that you want to print. And the color are the black one, okay? Color are white and black they let's go to the color lines and let's see. Okay, we have it. Let's open the folder to tape if our data has been sent to us. Okay, this looks good. And that's how you configure scan to folder on a SAP printer using network schema to Lite. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please give it a like and subscribe for more tech, digital and IT tips. Thank you for watching. I've said cheering.